Wait 2 more minutes. Wait 2 more minutes. Okay, today we discuss about EC2. What is EC2? What is the purpose? Okay. In this, we will learn EC2. Okay. What is EC2? Why is important? Okay. EC2 is Amazon Cloud Computing Cloud. There is so many instances available. One is on-demand instances. Another is reserved instances. Another one is cloud instances are available. I will show. I will show you. Today we will discuss about EC2 instances. This is EC2 instance. I am deleting this instance. Okay, I will create new instance. Okay, I will select Amazon Linux. This is okay. Verified AMI Amazon image ID. After that, this is the key pair. I have already key pair is available. I have used same key pair. Okay, key pair is very important. SSH security roles same. I use additional storage. Click yeah, advanced. Okay, yard. Okay. Otherwise, yard new storage up to 30 GB. Okay. Otherwise, remove. We will see next here advanced options. See IAM instance profile here. Admin or ECA instance role. I click admin, host name or IP address, IP name. Okay. Here, instance auto recovery option is there. A default shutdown behavior is stop if not used in earlier. Okay, further days. Stop hyper behavior. Enable termination is enabled. Okay. Elastic GPI one medium. Enable. Enable. Cloud watch monitor is available. That is replacement group. RMA disk IDs. Metadata. And these are the types. Okay. How many instances we need? We need how many? 10 or 20. We can put like this. Okay. This is a way to create domain join directory admin mode. I click it. Okay. Stop at behavior means we shut down the EC2. Amazon console is sign out. It's automatical instance will be shut down. Terminate means automatical terminate. I want to terminate. I will use in further. So elastic media credit standard credit specific placement group. I created already placement group. Okay. If you want to create new placement group, this is placement group. Create a placement, create placement group, or like that we can create name test cluster or partition. We can use this is the placement groups. This is the placement groups. Here after refresh this advanced placement group. See, test. Okay. Create placement group, whatever it is requirement. Elastic GPI medium. Okay. Protection, stop protection. No, disable. Protection is enabled. Okay. Termination is disabled. Stop behavior is enabled. We cannot use instance in further. Automatically stop. Auto recovery. Auto recovery is default. IAM instance profile. Admin profile. Domain joined directory admin. If you add new volume until 30 GB, we can use. Okay, we can use edit, create new subnet. Subnet means we can use subnet. Okay, as it is. We can use firewall auto assign IP address enable. Okay, the SSH or not, whatever it is. Okay, add new security groups. Okay, in that port range is I am using 8080. Custom profile, custom. Okay, configure new volume. Okay, domain join director admin. If you want to create new IAM profile, you can create new IAM profile. I have already created IAM profile as admin, so we can create like this. Okay. If you watch cloud enabled, This is will comes under lambda. Okay, we can see in the further classes lambda. Request stop instance, spot instance. There is so many instances are available. This is capacity reservation, DNet, kernel ID, metadata accessible, meta hope instances. Okay, which was server types, custom IP. So here instance type, there is a minimum, maximum, small, micro is available. Based on the usage, we will pay at the end of the month. Compare instance type. This is the instances. This is our instances. Okay. This is our instances. Cancel instance type. Every instance have separate volume is available. See volumes. I have volume is there. We can add, we can create volume. We can create volume and attach the volume into a particular group. Not 100. I can use only 8 GB. The IOPS means input output per second. Availability zones. This is the availability zones. In the US East, this is the availability zones. One is down, another is enabled. Business is not down. This is the cluster environment. Okay, throughput. Here throughput means magnet. It will use MB per second. I will show volume type. This is the volume types. This is the magnet general purpose SSD and a provisional IOPS. IOP IO1, IO input output 1, input output 2 is cold hard disk drive, throughput optimized, magnet standard, magnet means MBs, it will store. Okay. So yeah, general purpose SSD GP3 is now default sessions. Provide up to 20% low cost per GB. Then GB2. This is the volume types. Snapshot. Snapshot is available based on this snapshot summary. Okay. We will see about today what is the EC2. EC2 is the Amazon Cloud Computing is a web service that provides secure and reliable compute capacity in the cloud. It has a reliable, scalable infrastructure on the mode. Scalable capacity with a minute SLA service level agreement commitment up to 99% availability. Okay, in the secure is built to into fundamental of EC2 as a network systems. We will see in further in optimization performance cost with a flexible options like gravity based instances, and Amazon EC2 instance and EC2 savings. Okay, what is the uses? What are the uses of the EC2? Deliver the secure and reliable high performance and cost efficiency compute infrastructure to meet demanding business needs. Okay, suppose I will show. Okay, this is I will show. This is Zomato. Okay, one of the person is accessing the application. Okay, whenever accessing the application in a cloud, create they automatically create the infrastructure. Automatically create the infrastructure through scripts. and communicating through infrastructure. I will show. Okay. Okay, it automatically create the infrastructure. Means I will show here. Here, one of the person ABC is interacting into the Zomato applications. It will cloud. It will creates automatic infra. Cloud automatically will create infra. Infra means client or users after checkout. After checkout, it will go to the order history. What I checkout here, displaying the orders. Displaying the orders. After that, terminated the infrastructure. When it will use, it will automatic enable. If it not use, automatically infrastructure is terminated based on the usage, based on the script. Okay. In this, developers or AWS engineer, we will write a script for this. Okay, I have one small script is available. Like okay, I have one small script is available. I will show when it will required. Okay, this is the thing in here on how in this infrastructure, in the infrastructure two types. One is server, another one is serverless. It will decide. It will be decided by program managers or developers or architect architect team. How much volumes are required? How much volumes are required? Volumes are stored as yes. Volumes are stored SSD, ST1 like that based on the availability. We can see. Okay, there is. We will show you. Okay. In this first one, general purpose, general purpose SSD, general purpose SSD, GP2, In this balanced both price and performance. Okay, this is general purpose SSD. This is the balanced both price and performance for ratio of three IOPs, input output per second per GB, up to 10,000 IOPs, input output per second. We want to increase, we will increase up to 20,000 IOPs, input output per second. Input output per second. Okay, this is input output per second. 3,000 IOPs until a second. After that, provisionals, provisional IOPs. The provisional IOP SSD IO1, input output 1. In this, we can use, if you need, provisional and reserved, like that. Some option is available. If you want to use, if you want to use more than 10,000 IOPs SSD. Okay, in volume type there is general purpose and provisionals is there. Okay, after that EBS volume types, cold hard disk drive available. Okay, in the cold hard disk drive, low to cost storage. Okay, lowest cost of the storage hard disk drive, we will see that is also designed for input and output purpose, but intensive applications, intensive applications such as relational or no SQL database. In a SSD, designed with input output process purpose, intensive application purpose. Intensive means very speed, such as relational or no SQL database. Relational means relational database we can use. Okay, based on this. Okay, no SQL databases we can use. EBS volume types, elastic block storage. Okay, elastic block storage. One is optimized hard disk drive SATA, ST1 SATA cable. After that, big data warehouse. After that, log processing. The other types cannot be a boot volume. Okay, hard disk drive, big data, data warehouse, log processing. Okay, hold a hard disk drive. 6. Magnetic, magnetic standard. After this, magnetic console. Okay, magnetic means magnetic supports MBs per second. General purpose assist. Okay, cold hard disk drive supports KBs per second. Hard disk drive supports KBs per second. Data warehouse. What is meant by data warehouse? We can manage the large amount of data to store and manages. Large amount of data in the buckets. Data in the buckets. Okay. EC2, what is EBS? EC2, elastic cloud computing. EBS, elastic block storage. Okay. In this, volume conversion types slash dev slash SDA slash dev slash XDAF1, like that we can use if any extend, if you want to extend volume volume yard and extend what you want, what you want the volume size. Okay, suppose I have dev slash SDA1 have 30 GB. I want to increase SDV slash SD to 20 GB and created the volume and attach the volume to the incident, to the instance. See, I will show you here. I have EC2. I have a instance. I have an instance Each instance have separate console each instance have separate volume is available and the volume. Okay, this see in volume sections you can use volume or you can use create volume how much you want. As general purpose SSD is free until 20% lower than GP2. I will use 3 IOPs input output per second 3000 through output availability zones. This is one is down, another zone is running, another zone is down, another like that. I will show you clear picture. Some members are available. One is US East 1A. Okay. Second one is US East 1B. Third one is US East 1C. Okay. Fourth one US East 1D. Fifth one US East 1 1E. Six US East 1F. This is the cluster. Cluster means a cluster have members. One is a member down, another member is running under this. So one member is this is the architecture. 1A, 1A, 2A, 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, 1F. Okay. Cluster checking the availability zone 1. If you down, it request goes to the availability B zone. A cluster is same. If you down, availability 1C is compare. If you down, availability 1D, it automatically, this is the like that. This is the failover control like WebSphere application server. Okay. This is the thing. Performance is very speed. Okay. Suppose I I have created a file. Okay. And stored in zone 1A. Okay. Zone 1A. I created a file and stored in 1A. It will automatically copy remaining zones. It will it will automatically copies into the remaining zones without effort. This is this is the use. Okay. After that, how to use. Okay. 125 throughput. Okay. After that, we have create snapshot or snapshot. I'm creating the volumes. Okay. Volume. I am selecting this volume. Say delete volume, create snapshot, manage automatic injection, manage text. Okay, create snapshot means every volume we will take a snapshot for that. Create snapshot description. This is the snapshot for every instance. Every instance or every volume we will take a snapshot for that. Manage a fast snapshot revert. We can take a snapshot and revert. I will take snapshot for this. Modify volume or detach volume array like this. Okay, we can use create a snapshot for this. Okay, instance. Monitoring and troubleshooting instance settings. Select instance. Instant status connect action instance settings. Change termination process. Attach auto scaling group. Attach shutdown behavior. It means if you call I am log out to the Amazon console, it automatically shut down the behavior. We can set based on the requirement. Okay, allow the instance metadata, modify metadata. Okay, we can use shutdown stop. We can use the stop instant. See, by default when perform Amazon EB2 backend instance, instance we can change default behavior. It terminate instead of saying okay stop. Okay, manage instance setting networking. Networking mode. We can attach the networking and RDS database, relational database, HH source and destination check. Manage the IP address. See, this is the my IP address. Yellow, we can allow this instance ID and yellow. Assign new IP address means new IP address for this private and public and yellow the IP address with auto assign. Auto assign means auto assign. It will say confirm. See, it will automatic assigns. Manage IP address. Okay, so it automatically assigns IP address. Okay, yellow means yellow like this. We can use this here security groups. We can add a security groups. Okay, manage the IP address. After that, instances point volume. I will click volume, take action, attach the volume of the instance. See, I will select available. See, disk name dev SDF1. Okay, attach the volume. See, I have attached the volume in use. See, 8 and 3 GBs. Okay, 3000 and 3000, 120. I attach the volume like this. Click the particular volume and select the action and attach the volume. That's it. Select the particular volume checkbox and go to the actions and go to the attach the volume or modify the volume. Take the create a snapshot and first detach the volume and manage the auto enable input output process and manage the tags. Okay, attach the volume. I am selecting auto enable output update. Okay, snapshot summary like this. We have attached the volume and detached the volume based on the requirement. Select the volume and we have to select the volume and attach the volume and detach the volumes 3 GB like this. Attach and detach. Attach means attach the particular instance of the volume, and detach means we have removed the instance of the volume. Okay. After that, monitoring. In the monitoring sessions, we have you have read read throughput. Wait, I will connect charging. Suppose suppose go to the EC2 and volume section. Under that, create new volume. After created new volume and attach the instance. Attach the current running instance. Click newly created the instance, created the volume. Click click the actions under here, drop down list. Drop down list, attach the volume button. We will click, it will prompt window. It, it will ask it, it will ask it, it will ask it, select select instance in the drop down list. Select the instance and apply and save. Apply, that's it. After that, this is the steps. Attach. For detach also same. Go to this is attach the volume for instance. Detach the volume of the instance. Detach, attach, detach. Okay, here detach the volume button and click. Okay, so like this. After selecting this, okay. After selecting this, okay, like this. This is thing. Detach the volume of the instance. Okay. After this, that's that's it. Okay, detach the volume. Okay. After that, Go to the instances, click running instance and change the behavior. Stop, terminated to stop. Means what's it means? What it means? We have not using the instance, automatically it will change the behavior running to stop. This is the things happen. Go to the instances, click running instance, change the behavior, terminated to stop. What is means we have not using the instance, automatically it will change the behavior running state to running to stop state. Okay. Now this is the readme. I preparing instance. What is the instance? Okay, this is the HTML file. We can open this here. Check. This is the instance. Okay, in the instance type naming conversion. Okay, instant type naming conversion. This is the C. What this is the instance familiars. Same is compute optimized. D means dense storage. F means FGPA. G means graphic intensive. Means HPI performance computing storage AWS interface like that. Process familiars like that is there. Okay, in this is the current generation instances. This is current generation instances. Okay, this is the current generation instances. So sixth generation and later Amazon type of instances. I will put save. This is the general purpose of instances. General purpose means MC6G like that it will use. Okay, in compute optimized ways CG C6A C6B like that it will extension memory related memory related input output magnetized it will use like this. Storage accelerated computing like this it will store. Okay, after this, what is the general purpose instance? This is the general purpose instance. This is m5 dot lodge m5 dot lodge or m5 dot 1x 12 lodge. Okay, like that it will use m5 m5a m5ad, okay, m5d m5dn m5n lodge small a 1x lodge 1x small computing optimized. This is the C5 large cloud computing large, 1x large, 2x large, 3x large. It will use for memory optimizer purpose, HB6 like that. Storage optimizer purpose can use like this. Okay, based on this, we can use storage purpose. This is the P1, P2, P3, VT1. Okay, previous generation instances. Okay, previously this is the instances. Okay, A1. This is the instances. I will show you in the notepad. What is the instances? What is the current generation instance? What is the general purpose instance? I will show you. This is the general instances. Okay. This is M5, M6. Okay. Like that it will use. Okay. It will use like this general purpose instances. Okay. After this, compute optimizer instance. In this new, in this, I will show you. This is okay. This is general purpose instances. This C5D type and small. Okay. Here, okay. This after this, okay. This is the infrastructure of virtualization of cloud. What is the internet? What is the local network? What is the virtualization? What is the virtual machines? What is the data centers? Okay. What is the internet? Okay. Global computer network using standard computerization protocols UDP and TCP network, private network in LAN, and virtualization means OS and hostname, bare metal and use hypervisor OS, Windows EXSI, XI is the Windows. Virtualization means data centers, simply centralized location where computer network equipments, okay, in the cloud. In the cloud, someone else computer accessible over internet. Visualization is running under cloud servers. What is meant by internet? Okay. What is cloud? There is now cloud. It is someone else computer accessible over internet, and instead of setting up physical DCs, disaster center, data center, and access compute network storage, demand from cloud provide data backup and DRS, the disaster recovery, email and virtual desktops, and development testing, web apps, online gaming, Internet of Things, etc. Windows availability. These are the zones. Okay. After this, Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services. This tomorrow we will see how to create, how to, what are the availability zones in the in the AWS, what are the edge locations, what are the fundamentals of platform services. We will see in details tomorrow's class. After that, we will check Lambda, how to create the Lambdas. We will see in detail in the Lambda, how to integrate the Lambda with Python applications. We will see in detail one by one. Thank you for watching this.